Hi guys, this is DK from DKAF YouTube channel, and this has been introduced before, actually from my last video. And this is the chin mount that uses 3M adhesive tape. And take note, meron silang curing time. So curing time strength is at 60% strength na yung chin mount after installation. That's 60. 90% strength after 24 hours. And lastly, after 72 hours, you will get, or you will have the 100% strength of the 3M adhesive tape. So ito yung normally it has the chin mount, and there's an additional mount that you can add. It's not actually a mount, but it's part of the chin mount that you'll have to stick onto your helmet as well as a support, just in case something happened and na-disconnect or nalaglag si chin mount nyo from your helmet. Meron pang isang naka-stick sa helmet nyo as a support. So yun yung medyo nakakatuwa. First, what we have is the manual, the installation guide. So here, I'm not sure if you can read this, but yeah, there we go. So the helmet chin mount for action cameras installation guide. And the second one is their stickers. Yeah, so cutie stickers, little ones. It also has wipes, the wet and dry wipes that you can use to clean the surface of your helmet before adding or installing the before installing this chin mount. So this is what I mentioned. This is the chin mount na i-add nyo sa helmet. And this is the other one, the small mount support that you will add. It's actually pretty sturdy. Yeah, it's sturdy. That you can just where's that? Yep. So here there's two little buttons at this side na pwede nyo siyang i-input. So yun. And we also have this mount para sa camera. So where will it go? So yep, this connector, these little joints na pwede nyo i-add. Actually yung material niya is sturdy. Hindi ko lang natanong. I'm actually not 100% sure where's this made, but it looks like 3D printed. It looks like 3D printed, but with super solid material. I'm even trying to squeeze this with my stronger hand. So yun, meron din siya pala kasamang screw. So this has this little screw here. Meron ditong female na pwede nyo siyang input. So you can see. Yep. It's not coming. Yep. So that's it. So, bale, yun na yung fast forward no installation nito. Sobrang easy niya lang install. Sturdy din siya. Lesson learned lang na pag nakalock na yung action camera nyo, wag nyo siyang pipihitin ng hindi nilulusen up yung screw o hindi niluluwagan ng konti dahil maglulus na siya. On my mistake, ganun yung ginagawa ko. Nasanay ako ng ganun. So, anong nangyari? Kahit mahigpit na yung pagkaka-screw ko, o tight na yung pagkaka-screw, konting adjust lang, konting way lang. Oops, my bad. Konting way lang para konting movement, I mean, is gagalaw na siya agad. Ma-adjust ko na siya agad without loosening the screw. Kaya please don't make the same mistake. Yun lang. Thank you Sir Hank para dito sa solid na action camera na action camera mount for my LS2 Rapid 2 helmet. And yun lang. See you again on the next video. Peace out.